everybody. Let's work in the creative journal. Today, this is part two from the other day where I showed you what, putting it together, and then I did the en masse on the other page, and I'll link that above and below. So if you want to go watch that, you can. And here I'm going to start working on the second page, obviously, because that's why we're here, right? Right. So hope everybody. First, I want to just greet, and again, if I didn't say good, Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year. Today I am, and if you're a glue booker, Happy Glue Year. Today I just want to show and share. I'm not going to document every day in January, just the ones that stand out to me, or just sometimes I just want to, a picture may inspire me or something like that, so I'll come in and I'll put it in my book and things of that nature. But so this book isn't really overly thick. I'm sure with all the bits and bobs that I find, it's going to get a little chunky, but for right now, that's why I didn't call it a daily creative journal. It's just I'm going to get back into the practice of journaling. And so here I wanted to share what I did on the first. And all I did on the first was, now I didn't cook like she's showing. No. I ate good, but it was more appetizer-y kind of things, You pop it in and then you eat them. It was really good. But no, I ain't cooked like that. I didn't cook like that on Thanksgiving. I ain't cooked like that. Sadly, I ain't cooked like that on Thanksgiving. Now looking back, because I'm promising the family next year. Oh. I didn't do it. So you can see pieces of it. I didn't do it. I just didn't feel like it. Y'all know I was sick last year, in September so I just didn't feel like I didn't have the energy and get used to the, medicines and stuff like that. Just tired me out. Well, anyway, see, you can see I have a lot of bits and bobs that I want to put into this book. So, I'm just so excited. So, what am I doing, ma'am? Please, I'm gonna speed this part up. I don't know what am I doing? What am I doing? I guess I'm giving you a flip through. I'm looking for something. Girl. And I said, maybe I'll say this is my faves. I didn't yet know where I wanted to go with this page yet. This book is getting me back into the practice of journaling. I got a little rusty. I do have a playlist of some of my journaling, but I was a little rusty. I felt a little like a fish out of water. Glad I'm, back doing it. Because like I said, there's a lot of bits and bobs that could, that you could just throw into these journals. They're easy to make. You just put together your papers that you want to use, and then just sew them together. You can twine bind them and stuff, and just go. Here I'm showing you one of my and I'm gonna make it into a Yankee, real Yankee, y'all. You know that's not how you make a pocket. My mini album people will put me out, but I'm just gonna make that a quick pocket. I really like these Candy Cane Lane green teas. I drink that during the winter, and I found a new fave. I guess I'm not going to journalist in this one. I don't know yet, but anyway, I had ordered them off because I couldn't find them. Ordered them off of Amazon because they're boxed. I think it came from the Celestial Tea people. It didn't come from some third party out of their kitchen and in their living room. And they got them from Walmart and they selling it to you. No, I got a box of these and I enjoy drinking them. They're really good. It's better than the peppermint tea because it has a. I've been really drinking this other tea more than this one, but yeah, it's really good. So I wanted to put that in one of my faves. So back to what I did. If you're part of, if you're here With the journal, if you're new here, yes, I go all over the place talking. You got to put a pin in it and remember, because Micki will get around to it, or she may forget, and then the next video she'll pick it back up. A thought that I had. See, I didn't even complete that thought. But what was I saying? See, I do that too. I do that too, and I won't remember. See that it's not sticking, Micki. You gotta break out the 8 lanes. Break out the 8 lanes and tack that down. Then I'm thinking, should I put the January on the cover? Because this is going to evolve. When I show you initially how it's looked, that's not going to, my journal's going to look differently at the end. Then it may look the same because I may not feel like dealing with the cover. But, yeah, I tacked on the January because this is my January journal. And I used the jewelry piece for the closure. Old thrifted find. Y'all use what you have around the house. That's the fun of these things. You could just, like I said, just throw them together. If you don't break out the aliens, girl, or did I break out the aliens right there? Maybe I did. It's just having a hard time tacking down. Anyway, on the first, all I did was sit and eat appetizers and watch the last 3 shows, the final shows of Person of Interest. That's why that's sitting right there. I was finishing up those DVDs. I didn't stream it. I bought it, and I'm glad I did. They were on sale. It was on sale during Black Friday, and I think now it's $30 more. So yeah, and I'm finished it that fast. Yeah. It was really good. It was kind of show that I was like, okay, just one more, just one more episode. It was that good. And it wasn't. Here is the tea that I really enjoy. It's from Trader Joe's. It's called Wake Up Tea. No. It does not wake you up. That's misleading. But it is good. It's really good. And I'm wondering, is it good because I put pumpkin spice in it? I don't know. I hope when I'm done with the pumpkin spice creamer that it'll still be as good. But that's some good tea. It's really flavorful. It's not in... What am I doing? What am I doing? Y'all, what am I doing? I may have to cut this up a little bit. Does this... I don't know. I filmed this last week and I'm doing the voiceover here. I'm hoping it goes up soon. Alright. Then now I'm talking about the coffee because you know I'm a coffee girly. And I guess I felt like I was cheating on my coffee, so I had to put the coffee. I'm a straight up coffee drinker, but so I don't know what I was doing. Why I took it down. I'm playing with what I want to do. Do I want to put this over here? Okay, because I make it prominent. Because you know I like to frame them more, so I actually brought out a frame this time. I don't know what I'm doing. This video is 15 minutes, so if I cut it down, it's going to be too short. What happened? Oh. What happened? Did I knock into my camera? Oh, I wanted to show. This is a Trader Joe's bag. What happened? I think the phone rung, and then I had to cut it off. And then I didn't keep going like I would when I'm glue booking. I don't know what. I think that's what happened. And so I'm back, and now I'm cutting up the remnants of this Trader Joe's bag. I love to collect their little bags every year and use them in my glue books. My glue books and my junk journals. See, I'm over here. Saying, yeah, I like it. I'm a little slow on the giddy up, though. Gosh. Oh! I'm a slow crab. You know, I move kind of slowly when I crab, but baby, could you hurry it up a A little bit more. Oh, you can see my phone. Phone. I enjoy using those craft scissors. Give it a little bit more. Use them in blue booking, and I use them here because it gives it some interest to me. I like, yeah, a page to have just a little something, something, not too many straight lines and stuff. But if you like straight lines, that it looks good. It's just my brain doesn't think that way. So I didn't particularly like the bag this year that they had, but I think I'm going to still try to use it in my winter book. It's not that bad because it already has color. Maybe I was just prone to like the red, and this time it's blue. I'll have to show it in the next one. They're coming out with some really good insulated bags. They're really nice. So I picked up one or two of those, and they work well too. And sometimes my job will take me an hour and a half away, and I'll grocery shop where I am. If I feel it, and I feel it, I want to grocery shop, I'll grocery shop, but then I'll pick up frozen items too along the way, and it's kept in those insulated bags. Because I keep the bag in my trunk, and I'll just keep going. I'll put it in there and it'll still be frozen on the way back. See, I don't know where I want it. This isn't like glue booking where I'm more, I know where to put stuff. I'm trying to lay stuff out. That says you've got to dance like there's nobody watching. I like that. And there's more to it, but I stuffed it in the pocket to remind myself that's a pocket. And at the end, I'll take a picture of how I finally figured this out, because I added more things to it. And y'all know I like to. I'm like the You'll find out if you're here for the first time, y'all. I am like the who's those people who the Greenwoods or the. Come on, help me out, somebody, with the Christmas. Oh, starts with a G. Oh, the green. It starts with a G. Maybe editing Micki will put it. Will let you know. But you know how they had all those decorations in front of their houses. That's how I am with. I like more is more. A lot of. I can appreciate the less is more, your glue books and stuff. But I just have so much bits and bobs that I just like putting them out there. Look at me, y'all. I'm getting on my own to the nerves. To the nerves. Yes. Okay. You've got to dance like there's nobody watching, love like you'll never be hurt, sing like there's nobody listening, and like it's heaven on earth. Oh, and live like it's heaven on earth. That's really nice. I know somebody made a song with that. I can't remember who, but they have who said it. But I really like that, and that's appropriate for this year, right? I'm. What am I doing? I have to tighten this up a little more, edit it down a little more. We'll see. Or I just may leave it. Oh boy. I have 2 more minutes. No, this is the one. Is this the one? Because this is blue. Yeah, this is. I didn't really like it too much. But I'm glad it's having. It might have a place in my junk journal. And spoiler alert, I took that off. And I didn't put it back on. I don't think it makes it onto this page. I don't think that piece is going to make it. I probably put it right there and forgot about it. Went on with my life. I went on. This is what I'm talking about. That came off. That tag right there came off. Oh, the lady pulled it off. I looked. I said, "Did you just pull off the ephemera off my bag? Now I'm gonna lose it." I was like, "Lady, because she wanted to put groceries in it. That's fine, but don't pull my tag off." I'm like, Minnie Pearl, y'all. If you don't know who I'm talking about, look it up. Minnie Pearl, who used to back in Hee Haw, she used to wear her tags on her head. Oh my God, I'm not that bad. I'm not that bad, but I wanted that for the ephemera, and I'm glad I saw her do it. Cause I said, throw that in the bag. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, well, we about to wind this on down. Yeah, we about to wind this on down. The glasses came off. I'm done. Thank you so very much for watching. And if you'll be so kind, if you'll give this video a like and your comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Oh, if you have nothing to if you want to comment but you don't know what to say, like that lady's off her rocker. No, go ahead and just put a wave emoji or what else? A television emoji because I watch TV on the first. And I will talk to you later. Bye.